Since it's Thanksgiving, I thought I would take a turkey breast and just a cast iron skillet, 12-inch cast iron skillet. Layered me some onions down in the very bottom. Took and cut some red potatoes in just coin type slices, and a little bit of carrots. Sliced them up a little bit. Put a little Uncle Steve's bird powder on this as well, and we got it on the gas grill here. So we're gonna let this baby bump for about an hour or so, maybe an hour and a half, and hopefully we'll have some turkey breast dinner here in just a little while. So, all right, well, it got real dark on me outside, so I had to go ahead and bring this in so you guys can see it. We've got this turkey breast wrapped in bacon in a cast iron skillet. We layered some onions down in the very bottom, sliced up some red potatoes, and that's what they look like. They're falling apart. And then we got some carrots here, but I'm gonna cut this thing and let you see what it looks like. And there's a turkey breast cooked in a cast iron skillet on a gas grill. So I'm gonna slice me a piece of that off of there. Maybe 2 pieces, how about that, huh? Put this on my plate here. I don't know why I'm doing it left-handed, because I'm not left-handed.
You're trying to show off your new ring.
Trying to show off my new wedding ring there, folks. Been a long time trying to find one. That's a 16, if you can believe that. If I can get one of them carrots.
Grab a spoon.
All right, so old turkey breast looks pretty good right there. It's got some good flavoring to it. Smells real good. So I'm gonna give this a taste here.
You gonna eat the whole thing?
I'm gonna get a bite of it anyway. Look at that. Wow, it's got a good flavor too. Got a little Uncle Steve's cow powder shaked on it.
Cow powder or bird powder?
I mean bird powder, yeah.
That's what I thought.
Well, potatoes are soft. I can't even think, man.
You're hungry. You needed to
I
eat.
am hungry. Man, that's got a good flavor. I didn't even get any onions out of it. Anyway, folks, there you have it. There's a good old turkey breast cooked in a cast iron skillet pre-Thanksgiving. Y'all have a great day. For Mr. and Mrs. Cast Iron, we just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Y'all take care and be safe. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.